Good morning, Mr. David.
Good morning, Lily. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What's your question?
I want to improve my English speaking and listening skills.
That's a great goal. Are you practicing every day?
Not really. I don't know how to start.
No worries. Let me guide you.
Thank you so much.
First, listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes helps.
What should I listen to?
Try English podcasts, simple stories, or news for beginners.
I see. Should I write anything while listening?
Yes. Write down words or phrases you don't know and look them up later. Exactly. Then try to repeat them out loud.
That sounds helpful.
Also, speak in English a little every day.
But I feel shy when speaking.
It's okay. Start by speaking to yourself in the mirror.
Really? Just talk to myself.
Yes. It helps build confidence.
What should I talk about?
Talk about your day, your plans, or your feelings.
I'll try that.
Good. Also, record your voice and listen back.
To check my pronunciation?
Yes. And see how you improve over time.
That's a smart idea.
You can also use apps to find speaking partners.
Like language exchange apps?
Exactly. You talk with real people and learn naturally.
What if I make mistakes?
Making mistakes is part of learning.
I'll try not to be afraid.
That's the spirit.
What about vocabulary?
Learn 5 new words each day and use them in a sentence.
Should I use a notebook?
Yes. Or use a vocabulary app.
Thank you, Mr. David. This is very helpful.
You're welcome. Keep practicing.
I will do my best.
That's what I like to hear.
Thank you again. I'm excited to improve my English.
Great job for watching till the end. If you want to speak English confidently in real-life situations, make sure you subscribe to this channel.